How do I manually shut down an hard drive without plugging it out? I am connecting 1 to 2 hard drives via eSATA. Using Windows, is there an option to force shutting down that hard drive until it is needed again?
What you're looking for is to spin down a drive. Here is a similar question. If you want to disable drives with the command line, you can use defcon. Using the device manager, right-click on Disk NGT, Disable.
This URL or this URL. Personally, I prefer Rivasleep or just that offline/online state on Diskler.
You can't do it with Windows directly. The only option you have is through Power Options, but typically this turns off all hard drives at once. There is some specialist Power Option software. I won't link as links become outdated, just use a search engine. Or, as you're using eSATA, I assume this is external. You could get external SATA boxes with power buttons, but as per my comments, I think the powering up and down would cause more damage than leaving a disk idle. FYI, typically even by disabling the disk in Device Manager does not stop it from using power nor from spinning. If it has power, it is on.
Hit Scan NGT, select HDD NGT, Tools NGT, Features NGT, Spindle Control.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.